In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your Gmail password if you forgot on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there are two different password managers that you can use on your Android phone to go ahead and see if your Gmail password is saved there, which hopefully it is. So what you want to do is go over and swipe to your settings application. Go ahead and scroll down until you find security and privacy. And once you go ahead and click on this, scroll down again, and you're going to see more security settings as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. Then scroll down, you're going to see passwords, passkeys, and autofill. So go ahead and click on that as well. Now, the first thing you want to choose is Samsung Pass. If you previously set this up before, your info and your Gmail password might actually be saved right in here. And if it's not, then you can go over to Google and then go over to your Google account and Google Password Manager and see if your Google password saved here as well, because you might have previously saved it here in the past too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.